shadows play. The wolf's dance keeps fears at bay. Silent hunter, wise and bold, with stories ancient forever told. Wolf of the wild, running free, a song of wisdom, a call to me. Through mist and forest, wild and true, the wolf's song rises old and new. Run with the wolf, feel the spirit, strong and tough. Power, strength, and timeless lore, guiding us forevermore. Hear the beat of ancient drums. In the forest, it freely runs. The wolf's howl, fierce and deep, a guardian's watch, a secret to keep. Wolf of the wild, spirit high, a song of freedom echoing wide.